Ja Tallink Silja terminalin Turku harbor.
Finland. We had a really successful trip to Stockholm with Copper 86. We have to do it again, so hopefully we can do it. Like maybe in July, but we will see. But I will go alone also.
Yeah.
Several more times.
Yeah. D1995 868 329 16 person and just 250 kilograms.
It will be inspected in the next year, 2023.
Yeah.
So 25 is old in 2020. This is the second ride.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva Inspectant, maintained by Kone.
Shall we test the bumpers?
Oh yeah.
And you can test the other one, if you like.
Yeah.
And then holding the torch. Oh, it's
Yeah.
going all the way.
Yeah.
You're going for a third ride even.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we started third floor.
Ah,
Yeah.
I think that floor one, or its entrance straight to the outside,
Yeah.
it's used for artists, you know, they take
yeah.
their equipment
Yeah.
on the first floor there, which is,
Yeah.
but I've seen it open when they are using the first
Yeah.
Not too bad, it's almost always locked off.
Yeah.
Could be open more often.
Yeah.
And not only artists, but when they sometimes have freight coming in this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I don't know what's keeping it.
Yeah. I think that's